Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our shortcut panel where we have to find screen recorder. Now right here we have to hold on it. And here we can choose if you want to record device sound and if you want to record microphone sound. And we can turn it on by clicking on this button next to it. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!